begin with another twist that has now come across with the Saif Ali Khan stabbing case. It has now emerged that there were at least 19 sets of fingerprints that have now been collected from the actor's residence after the knife attack. It does not seem to match the fingerprints of the arrested accused by the name of Shariful Islam. Now, as per sources in Mumbai police, the fingerprints found at Saif's home were sent to the Fingerprint Bureau of the state CID, and a system-generated report has established that the prints do not match. Now, sources say the CID has informed the Mumbai police that the test result is negative, and the Mumbai police in turn has to send more samples for testing. So the Mumbai police seems to be facing another big challenge, and when it comes to this case, Mumbai police has collected more than 200 sets of fingerprints during the course of its investigation, and now the prints seem to be not matching with that of the accused. Remember, even the arrested accused's father told Times Now in an exclusive interview that the man caught on the CCTV, his face does not match that of his son. And the lawyer in the case has also procured a forensic report from a private agency. He too seems to be pointing out that the findings of the report claimed that the facial features of the man caught on CCTV and the man who has been arrested and is in police custody, they are not the same. The police, while seeking the accused's custody, claimed that the court that they will be doing facial recognition. So on what basis Shariful Islam was arrested, that still remains a bigger question.
Well, a new twist in Saif Ali Khan case, the fingerprints which were recovered by Mumbai police from the residence of Saif Ali Khan where the exact attack happened are not matching to the accused, and this is the thing which is coming to fore. According to sources, the state CID team matched the fingerprint samples found from the Saif Ali Khan's residence and the fingerprints of Shariful Islam, the accused, arrested in the case, and they have informed the Mumbai police regarding the same. Now, sources also claim that the state CID has given a negative report to the Mumbai police regarding the fingerprints of the accused. Earlier, 19 fingerprints were collected from Saif Ali Khan's residence, and they were sent to the CIT team, the forensic department, for matching. And what sources are claiming is that the fingerprints are not matching. Remember, earlier as well, the father of the accused has mentioned that the picture which was shown by the police, the person who was captured in the CCTV footage, was not the same as the person who is caught by the Mumbai police, the accused Shariful Islam. So there are several things which are not adding up. The probe has been initiated. Police still has the remand of the accused and they are probing the matter. But of course, this is a new thing which is coming to fore, according to sources, that the fingerprints are not matching of the accused.
Let's break down graphically what's not matching and what are the tests that are pending so far on part of the Mumbai police, which have continued to have an extended custody of Shariful Islam. First up is the facial recognition. The Mumbai police say it is still pending. Then also when it comes to the blood sample match, that is also still set to be pending. There is also the fingerprint. Now this time, apparently it is being said that they don't match. Then really who is the person who is now in their custody if the fingerprint sets are not found at Saif Ali Khan's residence? Exactly then who attacked Saif Ali Khan, because there are private forensic reports and what all its findings are. Let's put that out for our viewers as well. Caught on CCTV, forehead and a long and broad, those were the facial features that has been said, and this is something that has been questioned both by the lawyer and also by the father of the accused, saying that the person who is in their custody and the person whose picture was taken from that CCTV footage, they are not identical, they are not the same person, because even when it comes to their facial features are completely different. So according to a conclusion that has now been drawn, that even when it comes to the photographs provided are possibly when it comes to different individuals. So who exactly is the Mumbai police questioning and who is in their custody? Now that has now taken up another new turn, another new twist. Let's in the meantime also talk about filmmaker Rohit Shetty, who has also commented on the ongoing investigation on Saif Ali Khan attack case, says that he hasn't yet called the actor, but he believes that the police is doing its job.
They're on Saif, what do you think?
The cop is dealing with it and they'll only speak about it.
Because it's an attack on a high personality,
it's okay.
high profile.
They have done their job and they will do their job. You have to wait for their answer.
Have you spoken to Saif?
Not yet.
So on what basis was Shariful Islam arrested and branded as the main accused or the alleged attacker in the case? Because according to the police, he has apparently confessed to his crime. Let's break that down, that information graphically. So what do the police seeking the help from the Western Railways, and what basis that we are looking at as far as this arrest that has now been done? Because the Railways prepared images of the potential suspect. This is through sources what we are learning, and the Railways used facial recognition to make those images, and the CCTV image of the suspect apparently was blurry and it was pixelated, and the image, however, couldn't be improved using the existing technology. So probably there would be facial recognition that would be done on part of the police if they really want to establish the case that the man in custody and the man who was caught on CCTV are the same, are identical. Now the probe which has now reached the state of West Bengal as well, because there is a 4-member team of Mumbai police which is in Kolkata digging deep into Shariful Islam's links. Now, as per sources, Shariful Islam stayed in Kolkata before coming to the city of Mumbai, and the police want to find out who helped him procure those fake documents on the basis of which he got his SIM card and apparently led to his arrest. So many questions, however, still now seem to arise over when it comes to this trail that the Mumbai police now seem to be mapping, especially when it comes to his entry into India, exactly all of the places that he was staying. Who helped him? How did he get those fake documents? Where was he staying? Was he employed anywhere? And all of that as far as his intention or motives are concerned, because the police in the meantime has been calling it as an alleged attempt of robbery. We have Shweta with us connected. Shweta, good morning. Several questions that are now been arising as far as if this individual, if this man, Shariful Islam, is indeed the alleged attacker or is it someone else? The challenges before the Mumbai police, if you can tell us.
Well, that's absolutely right, Amita. In fact, pressure mounting on Mumbai police now to prove whether the nabbed alleged accused is actually Shariful Islam, is the real accused, or they have nabbed him on which evidences and what led him to arrest him. So here clearly we are seeing that there are too many theories which are floating. But meanwhile, what's latest we are picking up from Saif Ali Khan attack case is that Mumbai police is yet to match the fingerprints. The results is yet to come. So this is something very big in terms of the alleged accused. And here we are seeing already the arrest has been done. Twice the Mumbai police has got their remand. And it will be important to see that what more clues, in fact, what more concrete evidence is Mumbai police connecting. But before this, we have already seen Mumbai police also sought help of forensic team as far as the facial recognition test is concerned, and then the DNA profiling with the worn shirt of the accused during the fateful night, the blood stains that would be matched with the blood sample taken from actor Saif Ali Khan. With this, the third procedure which they have to very ensure they have to do is that they have to follow the fingerprints matching. That is yet to be done, and this is not yet confirmed that the fingerprints which were there, more than 150
as far as Shariful Islam custody is concerned, it is all set to get over very soon. And in the meantime, if the Mumbai police wants to build a watertight case, all of these issues that are still set to be pending, they need to establish if this man indeed was the alleged attacker. As Shweta continues to be with us, we also talk about another aspect in this case, one where experts from the field of medicine are raising questions over the preferential treatment given to Saif Ali Khan by the insurance company. As when it comes to the Association of the Medical Consultants in Mumbai, who have now written to the chairman of IRDAI, or the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, they mention reports which have claimed that the insurance company sanctioned nearly 25 lakh rupees within few hours to Lilavati Hospital for Saif Ali Khan's treatment. Now, the normal process involved seeking a copy of FIR in such cases is needed. And here, when it comes to was there any preferential treatment given to a superstar, the insurance company seems to be in question. Now, let's get in a word from Shweta once again on this. Shweta, the questions that are being raised apparently, waived this requirement and they immediately approved the cashless request of 25 lakh rupees. In normal circumstances, that wouldn't happen.
Well, that's right. In fact, now we understand that how the team of medical association, in fact, the doctors have also raised question that how easily or how smoothly the health insurance was passed when it comes to the actor, and when it comes to the commoners, these procedures do take time. There are certain hiccups during the health insurance, and again we are seeing that how not only Mumbai police but several people are questioning, several agencies are questioning this particular case. Which is getting murkier day by day. In fact, the mystery is not getting solved. And when it comes to the health insurance, earlier also the, when it comes to the Times Now network, we had posed to it question to the team of doctors in Lilavati while they were addressing the press conference. We had very categorically asked them, Amita, in fact, that how the segregation of 35 lakhs were done. In fact, the 45 lakhs health premium was taken by the actor Saif Ali Khan. Moreover, the team of doctors, those who were present during that time of the press conference, they stated that it was easy because of the health insurance they had taken. But one important point what he suggested us during that point was that when it comes to any other common man, if you just take into account, if you are paying for one particular suite or one executive suite, you are going to be charged the similar manner on which Saif Ali Khan was charged. But here again, when it comes to the medical bulletin, when it comes to the police probe, and when it comes to the social media or the kind of citizens reacting on this, plus the political arena, we are seeing that how Saif Ali Khan case is getting more complicated. In fact, this is day 11 of the incident that had occurred, and we are still seeing that in past 10 days there is no mystery being solved.
The Association of Medical Consultants, however, who have now raised a concern, saying that as far as the bill that amounted apparently to close to 36 lakh rupees as per sources, and even this amount that was approved, as the group has been pointing out, that how the common man has to suffer and wait for long periods to get his insurance claims sanctioned. But when it comes to high profile celebrities or individuals, insurance companies generally are more favorable, and these are the questions and concerns that are being raised by the medical consultants. Thank you very much for the moment, Shweta, for joining in.